Wow. Ston it.
The plane.
Get some ground perspective in there.
The extra in an area here. This is called high alpha. Got it in. An extreme angle of attack with the prop blowing air over the surfaces and keeping it flying. Really cool maneuver to watch an airplane fly like that. Slow as they can go. Got the airplane in a hover now. Flying an airplane like that is a lot like balancing a pencil on your finger. You're moving all the control surfaces to keep the airplane vertical.